you've been watching the tech space lately, you know that AI is moving faster than almost everything else in cybersecurity right now. Because of that, securing these AI systems is easily becoming the fastest growing specialization we have. But here's the catch. Up until now, if you wanted a piece of paper proving you actually know how to secure an AI model, you usually had to drop thousands of dollars on expensive, theory-heavy certificates that mostly just teach you how to read compliance spreadsheets. That changes right now. TryHackMe reached out to sponsor today's video because they are launching a brand new credential called AI Security Level 1 certification, or AI1. Now, in full transparency, because TryHackMe is partnering with me for this launch, this is not your standard unbiased product review. Instead, they gave me early access to the live environment so I can show you exactly how it works, what you'll get, and how the actual exam plays out. Like most TryHackMe certs, we are looking at a 100% browser-based, hands-on path where you learn to attack live AI chatbots, run static analysis on models to catch hidden backdoors, and defend against data poisoning. No complex local machine learning environments or crazy hardware requirements. Whether you're trying to break into your first security role and need something unique to put on your resume, or you're a developer shipping AI tools who needs to learn how to think like an attacker, this thing is built to be accessible for everyone. Let's break down exactly how the preparation path works, how you can handle the 48-hour practical exam, and how you can grab the complete launch package for 30% off using the code DakotaAI1. TryHackMe structures this as a complete path to certification bundle instead of just a standalone exam fee. Before you even touch the test, you get 3 full months of TryHackMe premium access to build your skills inside the complete AI security learning path. The path covers 25 hands-on labs split across 5 different core technical modules. You will walk through AI fundamentals, secure architecture, prompt security, supply chain, and data poisoning. You can expect to invest roughly 40 to 60 hours of total interactive lab time to get you through the whole thing, which breaks down to about 45 to 75 minutes per room. The best part about how they built this is that it runs entirely inside the TryHackMe browser environment. If you've ever tried messing around with machine learning models on your own, you know how much of a headache it can be to configure the local environments, messing around with Python dependencies, or worrying if your hardware can even handle it. Here, you don't need to configure local GPUs or install any local software. You just open your browser and start learning. Once you're finished with the training path, you'll face the actual certification. Let's talk about how the AI1 exam works, because the structure is completely different from your traditional IT certifications. This is 100% hands-on with 0 multiple choice questions. You're not checking boxes about frameworks. You are validating real skills through practical scenarios. When you're ready, you start a 48-hour exam window. The test is not proctored and is available 24/7, so you don't have a proctor watching you through a webcam. TryHackMe expects the active time to completion to be around 6 to 8 hours, but what is so nice is that you can pace yourself entirely how you want across that 48-hour window. The grading uses a split evaluation system. You handle 13 hands-on scenarios across 4 technical sections. When you submit your technical answers, you get instant grading on those components right away. However, because real security roles require documentation, there is also a written analytical task like building a mitigation plan and incident reports. Those written parts receive an AI-assisted evaluation within 24 to 48 hours. The passing mark is 70%. If you don't pass on your first attempt, though, the bundle includes 1 free retake at no extra cost. Just like the learning path, the entire exam environment is fully browser-based, using sandbox environments, static sites, and live AI chatbots. You don't need local virtual machines or custom software installations. Instead of just memorizing theory, the exam challenges you with 13 hands on scenarios, covering everything from prompt injection and data poisoning to supply chain attacks, all performed in a live sandbox browser environment. Before you jump into the path, let's talk about who this certification is actually built for and the baseline requirements to get started. You see, there are no formal prerequisites or certifications required to start. It is beginner friendly within the AI specialization context. You just need a basic background of core security concepts like networking, operating systems, and web security to handle the preparation material. When you're ready to launch the actual exam, you will need a valid government issued ID or passport for identity verification. And just so you know, the entire test is conducted in English. This certification is designed for a few specific groups. First, security engineers and SOC analysts who want to add AI threat detection to their skill set without starting from scratch. Second is early in career cyber professionals or students who want a unique way to stand out to hiring managers. And third is software developers or ML engineers who build AI features and need to learn how to think like an attacker to make their apps resilient. Now, I do want to say though, if you are a GRC professional looking strictly for a policy, compliance, or management framework, this isn't for you. It prioritizes technical execution over governance and compliance. It also is not meant for advanced AI red team researchers who are already conducting deep adversarial machine learning research. This is a level 1 practitioner certification. Because this is the official launch window, TryHackMe has set up a tiered promotional structure for the first 2 weeks. The standard retail value for the base package is $399. But if you use the link in the description, tryhackme.com/Dakota AI1 and enter the discount code Dakota AI1, you'll get the complete package for $279.30. That package includes the exam voucher, 1 free retake, and 3 full months of TryHackMe Premium Access. If you already have a premium account, your price drops down to $237. But after the first 2 weeks, the price shifts up to $299.25 using a long-term discount code. Okay, if you guys made it this far in the video, here's the exciting part. TryHackMe is letting me give away 5 exam vouchers to you guys. To enter, you just need to complete 3 simple steps. 1, sign up for a free TryHackMe account or log into your current account. 2, complete at least 1 room in the AI path. If you're looking for an easy place to start, head to this room right here. 3, leave a comment on this video explaining how the AI1 certification helps your career or education goals. 7 days after this video goes live, 5 winners will be randomly drawn from entries that meet all 3 conditions, and the vouchers will be delivered within 3 days of that. Hit the link down in the description to check out the launch package and use the code Dakota AI1 at checkout to grab that 30% discount and get your giveaway entries in. If you want to stand out right now in the current job market, building practical skills in a niche like this is one of the most smartest moves that you can make. Let me know down in the comments if you guys end up going down this learning path. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep learning.